look at TRX, for example, I saw nice volume up, and let's see if I can find some live trade. Okay, daily is bullish. Okay, weekly, yeah, on the weekly also it looks good. TRX USDT, we are, yeah, but no confirmation yet. This is very tricky because you see the flat Tenkan here, you see the weekly outlook, we are just I think it is the 90% fib, yeah, depending on the 9 previous candles. So yeah, if you look at let me check, yeah, no, not even, this is the golden pocket, not the fib. But usually on Ichimoku, when you have a flat Tenkan like this without confirmation, this level is often subject to a bearish retracement. So that's why timing is important. I see the weekly view on TRX. Okay, I'm just checking if we can find a rejection inside this zone. Okay, it happened already, you see. Yeah, but the volume is not so good on TRX. It's a large cap, so I don't really trade large cap with short term. Likely I prefer to trade large cap for swing because we have a large window, large time frame windows. So TRX, yeah, nothing to do yet. Brightbit or Clio is better. I prefer Clio because you don't even need to have